Hi guys, we've got a machine, a MacBook Air motherboard coming, and the problem with this one is that when we plug in the charger, which is here, so let me see if I plugged in correctly or not. No, okay, so it's not doing nothing. Yeah, it's switching on. And what it does is, I'm still waiting. This is what it does, and then after a few seconds of the display light, it just goes dim. So what we are going to do is, we found some corrosion in the connector here. So I'm going to disconnect this, and we found some corrosion here inside the connector. So we're going to show you how to remove this and how do we replace it with another one. We're going to take it to our BK50 and let's see how it can help us. We'll remove the fan and so we could just remove the fan. So that's it. And the toolkit we are using is this. It's a Pros kit ST9326M. So what we're going to do now is to remove this. I'm going to set it up to 440. Yeah, that should be enough. I'm going to use a flux. So simply to assist us, I'm going to go like that. We're not going to pull it off, just going to simply wait for it. No need to rush. You don't want any tracks or pads ripping off from the board. Just wait for it. We're not gonna use it, so we don't mind it getting destroyed, but patience is the key. No need to do overheating of the board. Simply it's going to start coming off. There you go, that's all done. There's another method we use, and we're just going to zoom in. There are no pads which are ripped. Okay, so there's another method we normally use, but that is for removing a connector from a board, such as if you have a board which is we removed one jack from here, but if you have a board and for parts, simply place this on here like this. Simply place it here and just warm it up. Keep warming it up like this, and then you will be able to pull a working connector from the board which we've got here. So if you see, this is what we've already removed it, but this method will be for removing it from a faulty or a board for the parts. This connector is not easily available, so far we are only removing them from donor boards. Now fixing it onto this. I'm just checking. I need to clean the board. I'm just checking. Yeah, everything should be fine. I'm just going to now clean it. Okay. So all cleaned. Okay, just a minute. I'm just going to simply solder it onto the points of ground just to put it into place, and then from each side we can do that, and after that we can simply I'm going to solder this. This is a bit tricky, but not a big deal. I'm sure you would be able to do this. So now I think a better angle would be from this side. After we solder, we must do a continuity test. Just gonna go through it again. Just pressing it up a little bit will help, but at the moment it is rock solid. It's all from this side, it's all sorted, it's all done. We need to also look for the bridging, if there is any bridging. Just going to turn it around, and I'm going to do this side. So
at the moment, call back next Friday after 2:30, please. Yes, yes. Thank you.
After all this, we must make sure that the contact is made and there is no bridging, because that's the most important key. We don't want a short circuit or short connector.
Any discussion from me? Discussion from me? Then we try it. What? Anybody say this is the time I'm being checked the phone is working. And then we will get to them.
I just use this method myself to actually remove the bridging if I find any, and to push flux and IPA out.
Because the thing is being bit.
But we can't be too close to the connector. I've put down a BK 5052
After your main problem.
380. Okay, I've just realized, I'll show you this, because the other connector on this board was also broken, and I kept on using it like that, like holding it. So I'm just gonna remove this one. From it, and set it up to 450. I haven't just put flux yet, but this is the way you can actually remove the connectors. This is from a donor board. There you go, it's that simple. And now we're gonna put it onto the other board. Just gonna see if I can just simply do it this way. Actually bring it down like this. This will assist us removing all these. Let me just connect this one. It's all done. So I'm just going to now test this. Yeah. We'll do the cleaning of the flux afterwards.
Hello.
Just wanna finish the video, test if it's working. Okay, got a green light which was missing somehow, because I believe it wasn't connecting inside properly. And okay, yeah, I think previously it was cutting out after 2 or maybe 1 second. Now it's staying on, so I believe that this solves our problem. Thank you, bye.